Hello dear students, welcome to CR Digital Classes. Today we are going to deal with the unit 4 of your syllabus, which is profit and gain from business and profession. So we are going to start with the short type. Here as you can see, the question asked is revenue nature of income and expenditure. As you can see, this has been asked in 2023 as your fifth question. Now let me tell you, part A of your question paper is never fixed. We cannot say which question comes as which number, but your part B is fixed. That is, your 12A and 12B of the question paper is fixed for profit and gain from business and profession. So in that you'll have questions related to the fourth unit only. Now let's understand what is the meaning of revenue nature of income and expenditure. Now when we speak about revenue nature, we are talking about recurring, anything which is recurring in nature and also which is for a short term. Now let's look with these concepts. What is the meaning of revenue nature of income? When we are speaking about revenue nature of income, we will be considering all those incomes which are recurring in nature and are for short term. Now what are those kind of incomes? Let's say there is a business which is making some sale. Sale is a recurring nature because that is a day-to-day activity of the business. So that is a income which is recurring in nature. It is not non-recurring. That is one time. This will keep on coming every month, every day, every year, every quarterly, half yearly, and like that. So it also lasts for a short term. That means one transaction of the business will last for a short term. One transaction is done. Let's say goods like biscuits are sold. Once the biscuits are sold, the money comes back to the business, and that is the end of the transaction. So that is, it is recurring in nature. Today the business has sold 100 biscuits, tomorrow they may sell 200. So this is a recurring activity. It keeps coming now and then as part of the business. What do we do with these revenue incomes when we are calculating income from business? While you are calculating income from business, you will consider all the revenue incomes or revenue nature of incomes as part of the business income. You can clearly ignore all the capital nature of incomes. Now, what are capital nature of incomes? Let's say the business has a huge machine which is left unused. Okay, and now the business wants to sell away that machine. So the income that the business receives from that machine which is sold is capital in nature. Why am I saying it is capital in nature? Is because it is a non-recurring process. It won't happen every day. So that is capital in nature. Sales, all of these kind of incomes are recurring in nature. So anything which is recurring and lasts for a short period is called as revenue nature. The same applies to expenditure also. Now, any expenditure which is recurring, that is which is repeated, and it is for last for a short term. When we are saying short term, it usually means between 1 to 11 months. If it is crossing 12 months, then that becomes capital in nature. But it is between 1 to 11 months of time period, it is a short term period. Okay. So any expenses that keep recurring, repeating, coming now and then, those expenses are called as revenue nature of expenses. What are those? See, now if it is a business and they are continuing the business, they have to pay something called as electricity bill, the rent of that particular land, salaries to the staff. All of these kind of expenses are called as revenue nature of expenditure. These revenue expenses will be considered while we are calculating our income from business or profession. Okay, this is the meaning of revenue nature of income and expenditure, where the two key terms that you need to remember is that it is recurring and it is for short term. Okay, this is the meaning of it. Let's see how do we write this answer when asked in your exam. Now, as the question you can see over here has two parts, right? You can see on the screen here that it is asking in revenue nature of income and revenue nature of expenditure. So for both the parts, you're going to explain in two different ways. First, you will start by explaining revenue nature of income and then with the revenue nature of expenditure, where you will start by mentioning that these earnings or this income that is generated is it is short term and it is recurring in nature. Okay, and then Here, your revenue nature of expenditure, it is day-to-day operations. As you can see, as I told you about salaries, rent, maintenance, electricity, any of these are all part of revenue nature of expenses. And these are allowed as deductions while we are computing our income from business and profession. I hope you have understood the concept and it is clear to you. This is how you will write a question when asked in two parts. And if at all you are asked meaning type of question, you can go with paragraph style of writing. If you are asked about differences or distinguish, compare any of these, you can go with a tabular method of writing. So it is important that you remember that the structure of the answer has to be based on the type of question that is asked. Thank you, dear students. Hope you've understood. All the best from SIA Publication.